In this video, I will teach you how to hide or restrict the Django admin dashboard. Now, if you look at my screen right now, you can see I'm just on the base URL, which is localhost plus 8000. Now, what you'll notice is that I can go to /admin. And when I do that, I am brought to this login page. Now, don't worry. I'm sure you might be confused why it looks different. It's just styled using Jasmine. So you can see when I visit /admin, I am brought to the login screen. Now, what we want to prevent is we don't want anybody to be able to access the admin or even this login page unless they are already authenticated as an admin. That is, they have to already be logged in before they can access this page. Now, the reason why we might want to do this is for it to serve as a security feature, because anybody can then go to this /admin route, and then they can keep spamming this login form, or they could keep spamming this login form with potential login credentials, and we don't want that. So we only want to show this form, or we only want to show the admin page when the user is already logged in as an admin. Now, I want you to note that for this approach to work, you must already have a login authentication system set up. Like, I can go into my code right now and I can show you that I already actually have views set up for registering and logging in a user. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to go to localhost /login. Now, once I do that, you can see I already have a custom built login page. So for this approach, I want you to note that you will need a custom built login page, so that you can actually log in your users, because the approach that we're going to take is going to completely eliminate this login page from the admin dashboard, so that nobody can have access to this. So the way we are going to be achieving this is by using this library called django-hide-admin. So this library is going to help us hide the Django admin dashboard from unauthenticated users, so they wouldn't even be able to visit this /admin route. So what I want you to do is uh, copy this button, or you can run the command pip install django-hide-admin. So I will go back to my terminal and paste it. Now, because I already have this library installed, it's just probably going to tell me requirements already satisfied. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the documentation. It says it hides the Django admin from users without staff access. And anonymous users or users without staff level access will see a 404 error if they try to open the Django admin page or other pages. So what that means is that once we've implemented this feature, it would mean that anytime somebody who isn't an admin tries to visit the /admin route, they are going to get a 404 error message. So let's see how we implement that. So after we have installed it, what we now need to do next is it says replace django.contrib.admin with hide underscore. It says replace django.contrib.admin with this in the installed apps. So I want you to just copy it. Now, once you copy it, head to your settings.py file, and where you see your installed apps, django.contrib.admin, I'm just going to comment that. And in place, I am going to put hide_admin.apps.hide-admin. So if I just zoom in there so that you see it. Now, once you save that, just make sure your server reloads. That is pretty much all we need to do in order to get this to work. So I am getting this error probably because I forgot to add a comma. So once I add the comma, save it and make sure my development server is running. I will then go back to the web page and notice what happens when I reload it. So let's reload it. Now, once I reloaded it, you can see that we are getting a 404 page. We're getting a 404 error saying the admin page does not exist. Now, what this helps us to do is it helps us to hide all the admin pages, including the login page, for when like a user isn't a staff, or even when the user is unauthenticated, like an anonymous user. So it will definitely help to hide the admin page on your, your Django application. Now, how do you now actually access your admin dashboard? Now, that is why I said you need your own custom login page. So what we're going to do is, this is a login page which I had written for all users to log into the website. So what I will just do is I am going to log into the website using my admin credentials. Now let's click login and see what happens. So right now I have logged in. I will then go back to my admin dashboard and let's refresh and see what happens. So when I refresh, you can see that the admin dashboard immediately loads because I have already logged in I had already logged in with my admin account on the front end. So when I was able to do that, it authenticated me, and when I refreshed, the admin showed. But the moment I log out, and I try to access the admin page once more, you are going to see that we get a page not found error because only an admin can access all the admin pages. So that is all I'm going to teach you in this video. Basically, it explained how to hide the admin pages to make sure that only admin users can view it. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave a question in the comment section and I will reply you. Please don't also forget to like, share, and subscribe.